Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and build a REST API with NestJS step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Visit the official Node.js website to download the latest version. Once installed, you can verify the installation by opening your terminal and typing node v. Next, install NestJS globally using npm. Open your terminal and run the command npm install g at nestjs/cli. After installation, create a new NestJS project by running nest new my_nest_api. Choose your package manager preference when prompted, either npm or yarn. Once the project setup is complete, navigate to your project folder by executing cd. Now it's time to start the development server. Use the command npm run start_dev to run your NestJS application in development mode. To build a simple REST API, create a new module, controller, and service. Run the command nest generate module items to create an items module. Next, generate a controller for your items by executing nest generate controller items. Then, generate a service for managing items using nest generate service items. Open the newly created items.controller.ts file to define your API endpoints. Add the necessary imports for the items service at the top of the file. Inject the items service into the constructor of your items controller. Create a get endpoint to retrieve all items. Use the @get decorator above the method that handles this endpoint. In the method, call the appropriate function from items service to return the data. Next, add a post endpoint to create a new item. Decorate this method with @post. Ensure that this method accepts a body parameter to handle incoming data. In the items service, implement methods to handle retrieving and adding items to your data store. Open the items.service.ts file and create an array to temporarily store items for demonstration. Implement the logic for the method that retrieves all items. Create another method that adds a new item to this array. Remember to import the required classes from @nestjs/common. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.